mistake. This is part 6, I think. So like and subscribe. By the way, this episode is pretty much a long one. If we did all add it together, it'd be almost like 20 minutes long. So we keep on finding a bunch of jigs, like jig heads and everything like that. Oh man, my leg's starting to cramp up.
What you got in that one?
Just a bunch of jigs and everything like that. I think this was his crappy box.
Well, you want to move to another box now?
Well, I want to at least show y'all all the jigs that are coming that he had. I'm gonna have a whole row of jigs. So pretty much these are just the normal average jigs that people use.
I'm gonna have to pause. Can you record yourself?
Yeah. Okay, so Chase has to go do something, so I'm gonna record myself right now. Okay, so we have a jig like this. Hey Chase. Okay, then I better just stick with the one I know of. So we have this one. Crud. So let's hang it up on our little scale over here. Nah, it's too small, so let's just put it in there. Where's the flashlight? Where'd Chase set that flashlight on? By the way, I'm not saying bad words. It's just I say it quiet. Ah, jeez. Good grief. But tomorrow we're gonna do a woods video. We aren't hunting them. Hold up. Okay, I'm back. So let's just stay off of those. Let's just do some of these others. I pretty much just like to set up prop this camera up somewhere. Can y'all see me? I hope you can, but except I got a little jig here. This will go, this one, I'll leave this one with the small ones, with the smallies. This one's not supposed to go with the smallies. This one can be with the fluffies. This one will be with the smalls. And by the way, all this stuff here was we actually found it, and it's actually Chase's. Yeah, it's actually all Chase's. This was a long time ago, whenever she got these, and so I hope y'all like this video. And so pretty much we actually go through a lot of trouble to make these videos. Nothing. So where are some jigs I can do? I got some right here. So which one? This is one of the smalls. This little green one here. This one right here, this little purple one, roll the smallies. Not big enough to hang yet, but I'm gonna go through these tackle boxes, and so I'll show y'all after all of these are posted. I'll show y'all the upgraded tackle box. I have to upgrade it so we can fit more things in it. Ugh. Hate to do it, but I got to. What's next? I always do this. You go check out one of them. I keep on getting one of those spoons stuck on my finger. By the way, it is not funny. It doesn't really actually hurt. It doesn't really actually even hurt. It's not the greatest thing to feel. We have a little red one here. y'all heard that, that was just Chase doing something. I hope. A little small. I'm gonna move on to another tackle box for y'all. Oh jeez. Yeah, last tackle box. I'm gonna show y'all an upgraded thing. And long, except our last tackle box, I didn't even know this was even here. We have another weedless wacky rig, or weedless rig. So I'm just gonna put that with all the weedless. Ah! Kids, don't play with hooks. Literally, don't play with hooks. Kids. Okay, so I got that fixed. So, I'm gonna go to the other side of these tackle boxes. By the way, these tackle boxes are almost 50 years old. Literally. How could I miss this? Ugh. Well, pretty much it for this video. Oh boy. I've been on my knees for like a long time to make these videos. So let me make sure I'm not missing anything, missing out on anything. Everything's so old you can't even use really anything anymore. By the way, I found a bullet weight for like worms. That's what a bullet weight is, but bigger. I found some more splish and it's not even worth anything anymore. It's all crusted. So I'll get back with y'all maybe in about an hour. Like, smashes. Oh. Comment if you want us to make some fishing lures. And yes, we will. I just don't know how to what. And we will test them. Yes, we will. Even if you want us to make like anything, just any random thing, we will. And also, I'm gonna catch back with y'all once I rearrange this tackle box. So I may be in about maybe like 20 minutes. So so stay tuned for next time. Bye.